Hi, I'm Ashley from nerDigital. In this video, we are going to show you how the log custom event action works in nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. This powerful feature helps you to track the number of times a particular event happened within your flow. For example, let us create a simple flow and log a custom event each time a button is clicked. There you have it. You just learned how the log custom event action works. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure to press the bell icon to get notifications when we upload a new video.